Morning everybody, John here with Bill and Seafood Guys and home of the Wild Alaskan Seafood Box. We are back with another episode of simple seafood recipes. We got a little coffee talk going on this morning. We got a roll-up door of our warehouse open, the sun's coming in. It's a nice day. So we've been getting quite a few questions on like omega-3s. So what type of seafood is highest or has the highest content or amount of omega-3s? That's a great question because that obviously a lot of people are looking for that, you know, as a nutritional benefit in seafood, and that's one of the amazing reasons or one of the amazing benefits, you know, of why you want to eat seafood is those high contents of omega-3s. So your biggest rule of thumb is fatty fish have higher sources of omega-3s. That's it. So the fattier the fish, the more the omega-3s. So that's why, you know, and that's why like fattier, or sometimes you might think of like oilier fish. So that's why a lot of people will think of mackerel, anchovies, herring as having very high sources or high content of omega-3s. On our end, so like the seafood we carry, you're talking salmon and then our black cod or our sablefish. So if you guys have heard me describe black cod or sablefish in any of our other videos, I've always described it as, you know, it's a very interesting whitefish because it is oilier and it is rich. That is one of the reasons why it has such a high content of omega-3s. It's a very fatty, rich, oily fish, and it's absolutely incredible. So, you know, that could always come into play, you know, when cooking too. When you have just normal whitefish that isn't as oily, that kind of can change up your cook times of how moist that seafood is going to be, different things you got to do to, you know, add oil or stuff like that to keep it moist. But, you know, basically your easiest rule of thumb is the fattier the fish, the higher the omega-3s. So just remember, that means like your sablefish or your black cod is up here, your different salmons are right here. And then even within the different salmon species, you have different contents of omega-3s. So one of the reasons why king salmon is so amazing is because it is a fatty fish. It's high in fat content, so it is the highest of salmon in omega-3s. Then you got like your silver salmon, sockeye salmon. Obviously both are very good, very rich, great flavor because they're fattier. They have, so then they have higher omega-3 content. You got salmon like your Kita salmon and your pink salmon are going to be lower on the omega-3 content because they're not as fatty as those other salmon species. You got your whitefish like cod, rockfish, halibut. You know, those aren't going to be as high in omega-3s as like your sablefish and your salmon. So I hope that helps. Easiest rule of thumb, if you're looking for high content omega-3s, look for a fatty fish, your sablefish, black cod, your different salmon species. And then if you're really in need of omega-3s, like just, you know, for your nutrition, for your diet, look in supplements. I mean, there are, you know, salmon oils out there, Alaskan salmon oil in capsules. Obviously a lot of that, you know, fish oil is going to be like anchovies, mackerel, and stuff like that. So all that stuff is very high in omega-3s, but we hope this helps you guys out, and hope you guys are having a good day. And you can find all this stuff at the wildalaskanseafoodbox.com. We have one-time purchases, and then we have, you know, like a salmon box full of your different salmon species, great omega-3 content. The whitefish box right now does have black cod in it. Then we have one-time purchases of everything too. So thank you guys for tuning in to another episode. We'll be back soon.